Following the winding country roads of Appalachian America to the West Virginia-Ohio border will take you to the home of Quanex's Parkersburg Screen Assembly Plant, a small but powerful asset in supplying the eastern United States with quality window and door screens. Since opening to operation in 2012, the team of 48 employees in the Parkersburg plant have been able to generate an average of $10 million in revenue annually from their available 36,000 square feet of production space, using traditional hand-rolling stations while continuing to grow in new automated lines to efficiently produce a wide range of window and door screens. Rising from the plant floor to the position of plant manager, Delbert McNew leverages his first-hand experience to foster a strong connection with his team. By being on the plant floor as often as possible and advocating transparency in plant performance, he cultivates a culture of trust and shared ownership in the plant's success. This culture has had a direct impact on the plant's production, with Parkersburg being able to manufacture over 1 million window and door screens combined every year.
It's like a family in here, it really is, and I want to see everybody here succeed. Every opportunity that I've got, I hope they all get. I encourage them by letting them know how the plant's doing, how the company's doing. I don't keep them in the dark about anything. You know, if there's a problem arise and it needs to be taken care of, then we're all a team here and we get together and we figure it out. It's easier as a team than it is an individual.
Parkersburg's exceptional teamwork has yielded remarkable results. The plant has achieved record low employee turnover, consistently surpassed customer expectations for quality and on-time delivery, and has earned the plant the 2023 Quanex Engagement Award for its employees' active participation in safety committees and community initiatives. The team in Parkersburg supports local food banks, humane societies, the Boys and Girls Club, area schools, as well as donating to a variety of local nonprofits. On top of that, the entire team has taken ownership of safety within the plant. In September of 2024, Parkersburg will reach the milestone of 11 years with no lost time incident and 3 years with no recordable injuries.
What makes me most proud of the plant is the engagement that we have. The culture comes from all the people out there. We try not to put any negativity out on the floor. We try to keep everybody in a good, positive attitude from the time they walk in till the time they walk out. We do a safety committee once a month. It's completely driven by the associates. I don't sit in on it. We don't have any management sit in on it unless we're asked to. It is completely run by the hourly associates. I think that helps the employees open up more. It's a very big commitment, and everybody here is signed up for that.
Looking to the future, the Parkersburg plant will continue to expand in automation, providing an opportunity to push the boundaries of efficiency while improving the ergonomics for their employees. And with the goal of expanding their product offerings, Parkersburg will continue to be a key player on the East Coast for Quanex. Parkersburg is more than just a plant. It's a community of dedicated individuals who embody the spirit of loyalty, teamwork, and engagement. Their commitment to one another is a testament to the power of positive work culture and will continue to inspire and drive Quanex to new heights.
In Parkersburg, West Virginia, we are a part of something bigger.